Meaning of liquidity.
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 Liquidity. In finance, liquidity refers to the ability of an asset to be converted into cash quickly and with minimal impact to its market price. It is a measure of how easily an asset can be bought or sold in the market without significantly affecting its price. A highly liquid asset is one that can be easily converted into cash without losing value, while an illiquid asset is one that cannot be easily sold or converted into cash without incurring significant transaction costs or price discounts. In general, assets that are considered liquid include cash, stocks, and other securities that can be traded on exchanges, while illiquid assets include real estate, private equity, and other assets that are not easily tradable in public markets.